Welcome back. In today's video, we'll take a look at the Hyatt Regency in downtown Seattle. This hotel is located at 808 Howell Street and about a 10-minute walk from Pikes Place Market. This corner room has great views of the downtown Seattle skyline. The hotel is recently built and the room is very clean. We really enjoyed our stay. There's a lot nearby, and you're walking distance to Capitol Hill and the light rail station. It has its own underground parking lot and something you don't see every day, a hot pizza vending machine. There are lots of options for dining inside the hotel, including Daniel's Broiler. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you enjoy these videos.